Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's check energies. Okay, mga energies na pwedeng dumating, pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, if you're interested, magpa-private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, kung may mga tanong kayo pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, and sa ating granter necklace. Okay, so ito yung sample ng ating evil eye bracelet. Okay, so hang on, aking ipapakita sa inyo. Okay, so ito sila. So ito yung isa natin na bracelet. Okay, this is evil eye bracelet. Ito po yung garterized, ito yung adjustable. Okay, so ito available in red and black strings. Okay, so nasan yung ating ring, ating necklace. So ito yung necklace, ito yung ring, non-tarnish, both hypoallergenic, and pareho silang adjustable. Okay, na-adjust po yung length ng chain ng ating necklace, ganun din ang na-adjust rin tong ating ring. Okay, so don't worry kung ano man ang size ng iyong palasing-singan. Okay, kasi na-adjust siya, napapasigi pa, napapaluwagan. Okay, so ang ating si granter. Okay, so ito si granter, hypoallergenic, syempre non-tarnish, and this is unisex. Okay, so yan, ito si granter. So pagdating sa pendant, may acrylic siya, so it's like parang may glass. Okay, front and back. Okay, ganun siya. So this is made to order. Okay, so si granter, yung atin namang love bracelet. Okay, so ito ang ating love bracelet. Okay, pwede sa single, sa mga may conflict, pagdating sa mga karelasyon nila, sa mga sabihin natin may mga ka-separate. Okay, mga may ka-break. So, yan. Okay, kung ano ang kailangan mo, yun ang ibibigay sa'yo ni love bracelet. Okay, kung ano yung kulang, yun ang ibibigay niya. Okay, so, hindi mo na kailangang humingi. Alam na niya. Ha? Lalo na, ha? Oo, love lang to. Sa love lang, ha? Okay, kung may iba na gustong hilingin, kay granter po. Okay, yun ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa. This is focus lang nito is love. Ito, sabihin natin lahat-lahat naman, pero ito sa love lang. Okay, so pareho silang made to order. Okay, so let's start. So yan, kung may mga iba pang tanong, message nyo lang po. Okay, so hintay-hintay na lang din ng reply ni admin kasi sa sobrang dami. Okay po, mare-reply naman lahat. Okay, basta kayo ay maging patient lang. Okay, so let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So gagamit tayo ng oracle. Okay, ano bang meron? Energies na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September for air signs. Kuha tayo ng 6. Let's see. Okay, so may ako basahin. Okay. Okay, so we have here bad health, courtship, family room, courthouse, official person, and poverty. Okay, so unang-una sa lahat unang-una sa lahat, bad health and courthouse. Okay, so I think hindi ko naman nakikita ito na sobrang bad, no, pagdating sa health ninyo. Something lang yung pwedeng magbibigay or sabihin nating magpapatakbo sa isipan nyo, konting stress like that. Yung iba dito yung iba rito, sabihin nating may mga pwedeng paghandaan. Okay, so sa sobrang pagiging busy, parang wala nang, sabihin natin parang wala nang focus or oras, no, pagdating sa sarili. So you have to be more healthy, okay, sa mga kinakain whatsoever. Okay? So be careful, ha? So we have here courtship, official person. Okay. Iba sa inyo, nakakuha ko dito na pwedeng may mga makakarelasyon, something like a soldier. Okay? Bago mag-end ang September, there's a soldier, someone na pwedeng sabihin nating official person. Okay? Yeah, wearing something, sabihin nating kagalang-galang, like that. Okay? May ganun, ha? Okay, so family room and poverty. May mga situation around family, like this is issues, okay, na pwedeng mga mapapag-usapan. Okay? Pwedeng sabihin nating idadaan rin sa mga legalizations, legal actions, mga ganyan. Okay? Iba sa inyo makakuha ng isang balita, okay, tungkol sa isang kasal. Yan, may imbitahan, pwedeng ganyan, okay? Merong aalis. Yeah, merong aalis. I don't know kung ang ibig sabihin nito is parang bubukod. Parang ganyan. Okay? Ano pa? Air signs. Okay. Some of you, meron dito ako nakukuhang energy ng may mapopromote. Okay? Sa sobrang daming gawain, malilimutan ng kumain. Kung ano man. Okay? That's specific. Okay? There is an energy of improvement or progress pagdating sa pinagtatrabahuhan, sa business mo, like that. Okay? Kasi, something na pwedeng magiging busy ka eh. Kaya pwedeng parang mapapabayaan ng kauntian, no? Yung health. Parang ganyan. Okay? Iba sa inyo kung mayroong mga issue or sabihin nating legal issue pagdating sa pera. Okay? Andito din yung mga energy ng something like mga pinag-aagawan, lupa, mana, mga ganyan. Okay? Parang there's arguments here. Okay? Para kasing merong mabibigyan, merong hindi. Parang ganun. Around family member, may mga sabihin natin nagiging burden. Okay? May mga magiging burden around family member or family. This is issue. Like, pagdating sa pera, I don't know. Kasi pwedeng sabihin natin nakasandal lang sila pagdating sa inyo. Okay? So, there is relationship coming in bago mag-end ang September. Promotion. Andyan rin. Leveling up. Okay? May specific dito. Pwedeng magkaroon ng karelasyon na pwedeng soldier. Okay? Someone na ang damit is something like kagalang-galang. Parang ganyan. Okay? May uniform. Okay? May mga mafi-fix rin actually na sabihin nating issue pagdating sa mga karelasyon. Okay? Meron ditong parang may mga ipapakilala sa magulang, may mga ipapakilala sa mga relatives, like that. Okay? Syempre, nandyan yung mga sabihin nating mga relatives, no, na hindi ganoon na i-welcome ka, maybe, or someone. Okay? So there, yun lang akin nakikita for you. Okay, kauntian lang na energy, hapyaw-hapyaw lang. Okay, makakuha rin naman natin yung ibang energy sa ating daily. Okay? So ito yung ating major na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September for you air signs. Okay? So next. Okay, next is Fire signs. Okay, so what's with you? Fire signs. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Okay, fire signs. Anong energy? Okay, bago mag-end ang September. Pagdating sa inyo, Aries, Leo, Sag, kuha muna ako ng 6 na cards. We will be using the Oracle deck. Our Oracle deck. Okay. Mature woman. Okay, bad health. Concern. Okay. What else? Marriage. Lovers. Gift. Okay. Okay, so nakakuha ko rito, there's a lot of offer, okay, a lot of connection na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September, okay, may energy dito ng pagtulong, may energy rito na kasi mayroong mga nagkakaroon ng sabihin nating concern, okay, like yeah, they're thinking of you, something like that. Okay, so we have here mature woman, bad health, concern, marriage, lovers, and gift. Okay, some of you, there's this blessing. Okay, lalo na kung alam mo kayo, you're trying to conceive. Okay, you're trying to be pregnant. May chance ng sabihin nating blessing, no, na pwedeng dumating bago mag-end ang September. Okay, so meron din dito ako nakukuhang issue, whether a woman or a man, mature woman or mature woman, mature man, mga ganyan, something regarding their health. Okay, so I think sabihin nating merong pupunta sa doktor para ipakita or paalam or malaman kung ano bang meron. Okay? Something na pwedeng magiging, hindi naman ito ganoon kagrabe, no? Yeah, meron lang concern about someone's health. Okay? Bago mag-end ang September. Okay? So, some of you, meron ditong parang makikita mo yung someone mo. This is something na pwedeng a connection na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September, and I think this is like for long term. This is your person's person. Okay, parang ganyan. Ito na yung someone na pwedeng makasama mo habang buhay. Okay, let's see. Anong meron dito sa mature woman? Okay. There's specific number here, 6 and 3, 31, 33, 15 and 17. Okay. The Page of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. Iba rito ang nakuha ko, pwedeng may age gap. Okay? Pwedeng may age gap kayo. Some of them may anak. May anak. So, hindi naman yan issue. Pero, yeah, ayun ang isa kong nakikita. Okay? And I think yung isa pa rito, hindi siya agad tatanggapin ng mother mo. That's specific. Okay? Hindi agad siya tatanggapin ng mother mo or father mo. Okay? Yung someone na yan, yun ang sign na siya yung makakasama mo habang buhay. Okay? Yeah. Oh, no. Okay. Some of you, meron ako dito kung energy pagdating sa isang relasyon na pwedeng magbibigay sa iyo ng stress. I don't know kung bakit. Okay? May mga relationship or connection na pwedeng magbigay na lang ng stress. Okay? Anyway. That's general. Okay? Meron din dito ako nakikitang unexpected na help, na tulong, okay? Dahil sabihin nating concern sila. Okay? Gusto nilang tumulong. Parang ganyan. Yeah. In general po this is general. Okay? What else? Okay, some of you, may mga, sabihin natin, may mga magbibigay sa'yo. Okay, regalo. Lalo na kung meron kayong mga kakonect ngayon. Okay, mga karelasyon nyo, pwede may ibibigay bago mag-end ang September. Don't know why. Okay? Yeah, maybe a surprise like that. So maybe it's a sign of something lang na pwedeng affection or they love you. Mga ganyan. Okay? Okay. Pa-check. Some of you, okay. Meron ditong someone na pwedeng hindi nagsasabi ng kung anong nararamdaman, like physically or sabihin nating regarding health, okay? Hindi nila sinasabi, I don't know why. So maybe they're avoiding you na ma-stress or maybe mabigyan ka pa ng kung ano man na alalahanin. Okay? Yeah. Mga musta kayo, okay? Mga musta kayo. Someone older or someone old. May mangungumusta, I guess. Okay. So, yung pinakamagandang energy rito, bago magandang September, there's this, a blessing from the universe. Okay? And I think this is like a good relationship or a good connection coming in. Okay? With a Gemini, maybe. Okay? Number, yeah, significant number is 3, 15, 17. There's this initials, okay, C and M. Letter C and letter M. Merong makakaalala. Okay? There's this a surprise. Okay? Some of you, there's unexpected pregnancy. Okay? Bago magandang September. Yeah. Parang yung nakikita ko ditong about health is regarding doon sa pregnancy. Okay? Kasi parang magiging moody or something like morning sickness like that. Okay? So, magiging concern. So, merong chance na pumunta sa doctor by end of September. Okay? So, this is not sabihin nating makakakuha ng atensyon. Okay? Like that. Hindi naman ito alarming. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, next is, kauntian lang na energy. Okay? Next is water signs. Okay, so water signs. Ano ang energy? Yeah. Bago magandang September, energy na parating sa inyo. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's coming up for you bago mag-end ang September? Energies. So, kuha muna tayo ng 6 cards. Okay, we will be using our oracle deck. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, for you, we have here marriage, main female, journey, wealthy man, change, and expectation. So, it's significant number is 3, 2, 10, 13, 9, and 28. Okay. So, communication, changes is coming in. Okay? Bago magandang September. Changes in general. Whether this is talking about relationship, talking about your finances, talking about, in general, there is a lot of changes na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September. Okay? Some of you, regarding the, sabihin nating, ang tawag dyan, status. Okay? Status. Some of you, there's a proposal na pwedeng mangyari. If you're in a long-term connection already, nandyan yung sabihin natin may magpo-propose bago mag-end ng September or maybe next month, I guess. Okay? So, yeah, may energy na ganon. Okay? Lalo na yung iba dito, isabihin nating someone is older. Okay? Someone is older. Okay. Some of you, marriage and wealthy man. Sabihin ko sa inyo, may chance na pwedeng may kasalan dito. This is so specific. Okay? Kung sino man itong pwedeng mapangasawa nyo or parating ngayong September, they're wealthy. Okay? They're not broke. They're not a bum. Okay? They're wealthy. Whether man or woman. Okay? Hindi ito magiging pasakit like that or burden. Okay? Coming from sabihin nating magandang pamilya, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, we have here travel. Okay? Travel. Okay, there's a good transition na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang September. Okay? Some of you may chance rito na pwedeng, if you are waiting for someone or expecting for someone na pwedeng dalawin ka, may chance. Okay? Kung sino man yun, that's specific. May dadalaw sa'yo coming from malayong lugar. Okay? Yeah. You will hear a news. Okay? Na pwedeng there's this main female or main male na galing sa malayo. Sabihin natin i-invitein ka. Okay? Na maging visitor or what. Okay? Kung ano man, abay. Ninong, ninang. Parang ganyan. Okay? Bago mag-end ang September. Yeah. Changes. Pwedeng merong energy dito na pwedeng may magpapalit. Sasakyan. Okay? Yung mga may karelasyon talaga ngayon, sasampa na sa next level. Okay? Which is, sabihin nating energy ng may magpo-propose talaga. Okay? Bago mag-end ang September. Okay. Some of you, okay, mas pipiliin talaga ng iba sa inyo na magstay single. Okay? Kasi maraming pangyayari na pwedeng sabihin nating makakapagbigay pa ng maraming improvement. Okay? There's a lot of changes here na pwede talagang mangyari. Okay. Some of you, yun talaga, may mga pagbabago na mangyayari pagdating sa apelyido, surname, may mga magbabago na ng surname. Okay, because of the marriage, yan, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, there's this someone na pwedeng nasa malayong lugar. Ang pwedeng iniisip ka. I don't know who. Okay? Big expectations. I don't know. Parang energy nito is something like merong naghihintay sa'yo. Okay? I don't know kung ano to. To come along. Like that. Malaking expectations ang ibinibigay sa inyo ng mga tao sa paligid. Yeah. They see you as someone who is so wealthy, maybe. Okay? A lot of expectations. Whether expectations lang nila yon or talagang totoo. Na pwedeng magkakaroon ng magandang pagbabago pagdating sa kaperahan ng iba sa inyo. Okay? Kasi they will see No? Kung ano may mga pagbabago na pwedeng mangyari by the end of September. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, so may bibili ng ibang, sabihin natin may bibili. Kung anong, eto may mga pinag-ipunan. Okay, yung iba sa inyo. Pwedeng by the end of September, mabibili mo na. Okay, mabibili mo na. Something na sabihin natin pricey. Okay, mahal. Yes. Anyway, kung pinag-ipunan mo naman di ba? Okay, yeah. So there, yun ang akin nakikita. So mga hapyaw-hapyaw lang na energy. Oo, na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, bago mag-end ang September. Okay, so next. Earth signs. Okay, so what's coming in for you before mag-end ang September? Okay. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Energies coming in bago mag-end ang September. Okay. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng Oracle. Okay. Kuha muna tayo ng 6 cards. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Nice. Okay, unexpected income. Okay. So, we have here courthouse, gift, thoughts, expectations, house, great fortune, and unexpected income. Okay. Some of you. Okay, significant number 23, 17, 16, 28, 20, 26. Yeah. Okay. So, energies bago mag-end ang September. Expectations pagdating sa mga legalities, legalizations, okay? So, I think, kung ano man ito, mapapaboran ka, okay? Oo, andyan din yung ma-approve. Something like that, okay? Some of you, may chance na, sabihin nating, makatanggap ng good news or a gift, okay? And this is so specific. This is something big, okay? This is something big. Yeah. Okay? Some of you, meron dito nag-iisip na papamanahan ka, Earth sign. Lalagay ka sa mana, bibigyan ka ng mana, like that. Kasi they expect you something, sabihin nating malaki yung tiwala sa'yo ng taong to. I don't know who. Okay? Pwedeng pinag-aaralan niya kung sino man to, pinag-aaralan na isama ka or bigyan ka ng mana eventually. In the near future, yes, na pwedeng magpapabago sa buhay mo in the near future. Okay? So, this is so future na. Okay? Pero pinakita lang. So, yeah, unexpected income. Okay? Some of you, may matatanggap na unexpected na kaperahan bago mag-end ang September. Okay? Aside sa dung sa nakikita nating mana. Some of you pwedeng pamanahan ng bahay. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng regaluhan mo yung sarili mo ng bahay. Okay? Bibilhan mo yung sarili mo ng something na merong susi. Okay? May susi. As simple as luck. Okay? Yeah. Something like that. Okay? This is nice. Mana ang nakukuha ko rito. Pamana. Okay? Yeah. Gift, house. I don't know if may renovation na pwedeng mangyari by the end of September. Renovation. Okay? sabihin nating another another additional sa family member, may ganun din. So it's like energy ng pregnancy. Okay, yeah. Some of you may chance na pwedeng maimbitahan, okay, sa isang, sabihin nating binyag. Yes, gawin kang ninong-ninang, parang ganyan. Okay? Because sabihin nating malalim, no, yung connection nyo, sino man yon, mag-iimbita sa inyo. Okay? This is talking about money. Yes, yun naman ang gusto nyo, diba, earth signs? Yeah. Okay. Great fortune is here. Gusto kong tingnan kung ano bang meron dito. Ano meron dito sa thoughts? Who is this? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. This is sabihin nating saving para sa'yo. Okay? Merong isasama ka talaga eh. Pagdating sa, sabihin nating para ma-secure ka. Ma-secured. I think. Hindi pa nila ito sinasabi sa'yo. I think this is like plans, pero hook or by crook. Yun ang naririnig ko. Yung mangyayari. Okay? This is big energies. Pwedeng hindi mangyari by September, pero in the near future for you, earth signs. Okay? This is something big. Mantakin nyo, may mga parang re-regaluhan, something like bahay. Okay? Sasakyan, maybe. Mga ganun material. Yeah. And the great fortune. So, kung magagandang maganda tong energy. Kung gusto nyo i-claim nyo na. Para mangyari. Okay? By September. Bago mag-end ang September. Merong mga nagpaplano na dito. May mga nagmi-meeting. Yes. Okay? Some of you, you're being sabihin natin ini-evaluate. Okay, you're being evaluated pagdating sa workplace. Okay? Some of you makakuha ng merit. Yeah. May chance iba sa inyo magsa-save. Okay? Para sa better future, I guess. Mag-open ng bank account maybe. Okay? Yeah. This is nice. Pero sobrang malalaki itong energy na nakukuha natin for you. This is not simple. Okay? Pero hindi naman to lalabas ng wala lang. Actually, hindi to lalabas ng wala lang. Okay? Big energies coming in for you, earth signs. Okay? Wala akong masay. Yun na lang ang aking masasay. Okay? So, iba sa inyo, kung ang pagpasa sa isang exam or test is a gift, then claim it. Okay? Kung ano mang meron to. Kung ano mang meron, ma-approve, visa, something like that. Okay? May papasa sa board, may papasa sa bar, something like that. Okay? Claim it. So, yun ang akin nakikita. We have here journey. Okay? So, parang pagtaas pag level up. Okay, like that. Okay, may mga struggles or sabihin nating journey na pwedeng lalagpasan, pero eventually magiging okay naman in the end. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.